In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect a wireless access point to a controller and enable wireless internet access. We'll describe the basic FortiAP to FortiGate connection settings and the settings for the FortiAP to Wi-Fi client connection. The access point we're using is the FortiAP Model 320B, and the controller is a FortiGate, the FortiWi-Fi ADCM model. Here's the GUI for the FortiWi-Fi ADCM, running FortiOS 5.0. In the System Config section, let's first verify that the Wi-Fi controller feature is enabled, and we see yes, it is enabled. We'll be connecting the FortiAP to the DMZ port on the FortiGate. So let's first look at the DMZ interface settings. FortiOS 5.0 has 4 addressing mode options. We select Dedicate to FortiAP. Back at the network interfaces, we can see the green highlighting, indicating Ethernet connections on WAN 1 and internal port 1. We connect an Ethernet cable to the LAN 1 port on the FortiAP and to the DMZ port on the FortiGate, and then can see the green highlighting indicating the new connection on the DMZ. Looking again at the managed FortiAPs, we can now see the new entry corresponding to the newly connected FortiAP. We can see the configuration settings for this AP by double-clicking. I'll give it the name FortiAP 320B and click on the Authorize button. The SSID options automatically inherit all SSIDs, and Select SSIDs determine which wireless networks will be carried on this FortiAP. I want to select an SSID, but first I have to create one, so we'll do that now. Go to Wi-Fi Network SSID and click Create New. I'll use the name Web Access and leave the traffic mode set as a CAPWAP tunnel to the wireless controller. We are defining a Wi-Fi interface here, so we'll give it an interface IP address 192.168.16.1 along with a net mask specification right after. We enable DHCP and the address range is populated automatically. The security mode options are WPA Personal, WPA Enterprise, and Captive Portal. We'll use the first option here. See videos.fortinet.com for treatment of the other two. I'll change the broadcast name to Web Access and enter the pre-shared key to protect access using AES encryption. To limit the number of wireless clients simultaneously connected, I specify a max value of 35. Now let's go back to the Managed FortiAP screen and change the SSID setting from Automatically Inherit All SSIDs to Select SSIDs, and select just the Web Access wireless network. Then click OK. At this point, the Web Access network should be listed as a network interface. Checking under Network Interfaces, we see this is so. Now we can define a policy between interfaces so that traffic can move between the wireless network and the WAN 1 connection to the Internet. So in Policy, we create new, select Web Access as the incoming interface, and WAN 1 as the outgoing interface. And click OK. This completes creation of the wireless network. So now let's try to use it. We're on a MacBook Pro. I select the Web Access Wireless Network, enter the password to join, and do a Google search for Fortinet. It works. So that's basic setup for a FortiAP. Thanks for watching.